Welcome back to the Dankamus channel. Today we got a Matchbox haul. A little bit of everything in this haul. We got the McLaren 720, the Land Rover Defender, Mazda RX7 or RX8, the Volkswagen Golf GTI, Ford F-150. We got the BMW 3 Series. Got the Ford C900. Got the Porsche 911 Carrera. The Audi TTRS Coupe. And we got the Monarch EV trailer. And we got this Warren Industries 5-pack. Let's start off with the 5-pack. Warren Industries. Got the 09 International, 2021 Bronco, the International Scout, and the Willys Jeep. Alright, starting off, we got the 1948 Willys Jeep. Here's the base. Next up, we got the 76 International Scout 4x4. Here's the back. Here's the base. The spare tire. Sweet. Alright, next up, we got the 2021 Ford Bronco. Warren Industries, 75 year. Spare tire in the rear. Sweet. Here's the base. Sweet. And then we got the 09 International E-Star. Warren parts delivery. Here's the base. Sweet. And then last we got the 09 Internet, or no wait, this is the MBX 4x4. Here's the base. 4x4. Little rock crawler there. Alright, that's the 5-pack. What we got here? We got the Monarch EV Tractor. Let's go ahead and open up. The Monarch Tractor. Sweet. I think it's pretty sweet. Alright, next up, we got the 1965 Ford C900. That's the front. Alright, let's open this up. Matchbox garages. Front. And here's the base. Pretty sweet. A little semi here. Oh, I got a little too drunk, too sauced up over here. And then we got the Ford F-150 1986 long bed single cab. There we go. Here's the F-150. It's the front. Back. Bed. Tan interior. Here's the base. Sweet. Alright, next up, we got the 2020 Land Rover Defender 90. It's got this weird clear roof. Here's the front. Let's open it up. Brown. It's the front. Defender. It's got this weird clear roof. Interior. Give them cup holders. Sweet. That's pretty sweet. 2020 Land Rover Defender is the base. Alright, next up, we got the 2012 BMW 3 Series Touring wagon. There we go. Really sweet. Open it up. And there we have it. Got the 5-spoke. Here's the front. BMW. Interior. It's got the moon roof. Ooh. Here's the base. Sweet. And next up, what do we got? Let's go with the 1976 Volkswagen Golf GTI MK1. There's the front. The green. Pretty sweet, pretty sweet. Let's open it up. All right, here we go. Volkswagen Golf Rabbit. Sweet detail on the front. Interior. Here's the rear. No tampo. Here's the base. Sweet. This one's pretty sweet. Woo! 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 That one is sweet. Alright. Next up. Let's stick with the green theme. We got the Audi TTRS Coupe. That's the front. Alright, let's open it up. Alright. TT. Screen's pretty sweet. Got front and rear detail. TTRS. Here's the base. This one's sweet. Alright, next up. Let's go with the 2004 Mazda RX8 black. Front. Sweet. Let's open it up. That's the front. Got a little speckle black in there. Here's the rear. Here's the base. That's pretty sweet. And next up, let's go with the Porsche 911 Carrera Cabriolet. Here's the front. Here's the rear. Alright, let's open it up. Side, the front, the rear. Check out that interior. Here's the base. Sweet. And then next and last, we got the McLaren 720S Spider. There's the front. Alright, let's crack it open. Front 720S interior. Pretty sweet. Here's the base. Sweet, sweet, sweet. All right. Alright, what's your favorite out of the bunch? I really like the color on the TT. Golf's always cool. And Jeep. What's your favorite out of the 5-pack? Maybe the Jeep. Maybe the Bronco. I also like this little semi. Matchbox Garage. Pretty sweet. Alright, let me know what your favorite is down below. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. Peace.